All right, welcome. Hi, everybody. How you doing? It's your friend Joey Ragona here, and I'm going to be doing just a short live here with you because I'm just getting ready to go live with my Strategic Profit Lab group, teaching them some really cool stuff. And I figured that I wanted to do a live with you and show you some of this stuff because if you aren't in the group, hey, why should you miss it just because you're not in the group right now? But I need you to get in that group, so I'm going to offer you something at the end of this. But hey, you know what I want to try also before I get this started? Be a real short intro here for you. I want to try and do this on my Instagram. So I'm just going to go over here and hey, there's the Instagram. Trying the first time first time ever to try and do two things at once here. Get myself live on the Instagrams over here, live with the Facebooks over here. How you guys doing? And unfortunately on the Instagram, I don't think I can share the points that's going on over here on Facebook. But hey, you'll still get the cool stuff as a I guess as I'm reading them out. So here's how it goes. All right, we're gonna look at how to look at your product, how to market that, and look for some details on where to get the information so you can make really easy marketing copy later on. I'm going to show you how to do this. There's a couple things that I am going to be teaching today on my Strategic Profit Lab group, but I want to share with you guys. So the first thing that I want to really share with you is on there's a couple points. One is that what products and services that are out there that are already being offered. That's the one thing that you want to check. So when you're looking at doing a product marketing, hey Lori, good to see you here. So I just gave, actually this is the stuff that I just gave you. One of my coaching clients is on live. This is great. So this is one of the exercises that I gave her to start out with, and I want to share it with you guys. So the one thing that you want to look for is this. One is, what are the products and services that are already being offered? Okay, so you see me looking over here. It's kind of, I'm trying to give eye contact both to the Instagrams and to the Facebooks. How you doing, buddy? Good to see you. Just giving some waves here. This is really cool. Like, this was never before precedented that we could be broadcasting from our home offices and home studios and stuff like that all over the world with just a phone and with a computer like this. It's just amazing to me. It's just freaking me out. But anyway, first thing you want to do, okay, is check out what products and services are already being offered. Because here's the deal. I talk to a lot of people, and sometimes, right? Sometimes you get those people who are like, you know what, my product and services is the bomb. It's never been offered. Nobody's got this thing, and it's awesome. Now, you know what? More than likely, your product and service, if it has not been offered, it's not a good thing. Okay, I'm not saying that it's going to bomb or anything like that, but you know what? Being the pioneer in this day and age is really tough. And so if you want to be that pioneer and going out there and trying and educating the market, that's totally up to you. But I like to make things a lot simpler. So what I like to do is what I'm teaching you here is look what already is being involved in the market. Hey, buddy, how you doing? I'm doing things live. If you don't see me looking at you directly here, just in case my Instagram people, I'm on Facebook Live over here. So I'm trying to do both things at once. First thing I'm trying this pretty cool thing. So one of the things that I've always mentioned to clients and to students and everything about marketing is really, if you're trying to market something brand new and you want to be the pioneer, those are the guys that have the arrows in their backs, right? So we don't want to do that. We want to make something simple. We don't want to be a copycat. We want to make things better. And this is how we're going to do it. So the first thing, find out what products and services are being already offered. The second thing that you want to do is you want to go to the competitors. Here's why you want to do this, okay? When you go to the competitors, you want to see the research that they've already done, okay? What are the problems that the competitors are focused on? Because you're doing market research, and when I always talk about market research, it's that dull thing that a lot of people don't want to talk about, right? Like, I don't want to do research. I just want to get my product out there. I want to create it, and I want to make some money. We all want to make money, but let's make it simpler for us. Let's go in behind and infiltrate the competition by finding out what research they've already done. And it's pretty simple. Just go to their pages. You already know what your top 4 or 5 competitors are. If you don't know who those competitors are, go find out who those competitors are. Go to their page and go through their sales page, right? Figure out what it is that they think the market problems are. Write all that stuff down. Put it into a document, okay? And that is the second piece. The third piece is this. What are the problems? What problems do people find in the current products? And I'm going to give you a ninja hack on how to go find this, okay? You find out what people find the problems with the current products. And here is how you do this. You always want to know what people are missing from the current products that are out there, and you want to find out what they don't like about the products and what they like about those other products, okay? Because you're trying to position yourself differently than everybody else, right? We've heard this before, what's your USP, what's your unique selling proposition, and all that stuff. And really what it's about is looking at what's already out in the marketplace and how you can position differently. And here is how you go do this, all right? You go and you type in niche or niche, depending on wherever you are in the world and how you say this, you type in niche plus forum, okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to say, let's say it's talking about, productivity. It'll be productivity plus forum. And when you type in productivity plus forum exactly like that, you will come up with a whole bunch of forums, right? And you go in there and you start looking at what people are talking about. You start looking at what are the problems they're talking about, what are the products that they've looked at, what are they see that are missing in those products. People love talking about themselves, right? And that's the key. Because the internet has opened this entire world up to marketers like you and me to make it a lot easier, all right? So all you got to do is do the research. And here's the deal. You don't have to continually do this research. I am one of the proponents of the 80-20 rule, right? So I constantly am doing research because I love doing it and it makes my copywriting easier. So I'm doing 20% research like every single week. 20% of my week is research. And this is one of the ways that I do it. You don't have to do this. If you actually did the 80-20 rule this way, if you spend 80% of the next week just doing this stuff that I'm telling you, you will be miles ahead of everybody else. If you just spend 1 week doing 80% of your time on the research that I'm telling you, just one of these, just a couple of these points here, and spending your time and putting that into a document, you will have so much data and so much customer language, you won't know what to do with it. All right. So, and then you can switch it and do the 80-20 rule the way I'm doing it. All right. By the way, if you're just joining me on the Instagram, you're just joining me on Facebook, or you're watching this on the recording, I'm switching my focus here back and forth because I'm trying to do live here with my Instagram friends and live here with my Facebook friends. So that's why I continually switch over here. So I'm not ignoring you guys on the Instagrams, or the focus here is on the Facebooks. All right. Hey guys, good to see you guys. Thank you for joining us for the Instagram. Good to see you. So here's the deal. So I just want to recap what I've just shown you here is when you want to do a little bit of market research, you want to find out what the products and services are already being offered, okay? What are those things? Go and look at the competitors. And then when you go to look at those competitors, what are the problems that those competitors are focused on? They've done a lot of the research, so you don't have to do this. It doesn't mean that you have to agree with them. Just look at what they've done, right? They've done a lot of that research for you. Then what are the problems that people find with those current products? And the way that you find that out is you go to forums and you type in niche or niche, depending on how you want to say that, plus forum, okay? Niche plus forum. And then you can also do niche plus Amazon reviews. All right, niche plus Amazon reviews. That's another one. And this will get you some amazing, amazing results on what people are talking about, what they think about products, what they don't like about products, what they think is missing in the marketplace. And guess what? That is what you focus on when you are marketing yourself. You focus on the gaps that the other competitors are missing, okay? And just focus in on that. You can sell a lot of the same stuff, right? Because it might be part of the marketing that you need to do, but you're focusing in on how to be different. And this is how you are different, just by looking at what the competitors are doing and looking at the gaps. One other thing that I want to do before I let you guys go, because I do have to get ready for my Strategic Profit Lab coaching. If you, by the way, you know what? Here's my offer for you guys. If you want to go and check out the Strategic Profit Lab, you can go right here, Strategic Business Academy strategicbusinessacademy.com/SPL, and that will bring you to the Strategic Profit Lab. If you ever want to join us, we do bi-weekly coaching like this where it's over-the-shoulder training, all kinds of really cool stuff. So anyway, I just wanted to put that up there just in case you're interested in working with us going forward with your marketing. But here's the last thing I want to do before I let you guys go is this. If you go into Amazon, just go into Amazon. This will freak you out. And you look at the top 4 or 5 books that are in your niche. Again, we're talking about, let's say, productivity in this case. Go to the Amazon, and then what you're going to do is you're going to look at the reviews on those top 5 books, right? Look at the bad reviews, like the worst reviews, the 1-star reviews, and you look at the top 5 and the 5-star reviews. You don't need anything in the middle, because those are the mediocre people, right? We want the people who love the product, and we want people who hate the product or the book, let's say. And in those reviews, people will tell you what they think is missing, what they think the book needed, all that other kind of stuff. Guess what? All those things that they think the book needed, or in that case, you could put that in frame or context of your product, you put that in your product. So these are the ninja ways of really finding out, well, what should I teach and how should I teach it? What are people looking for? What are the things that people need to learn that they haven't learned before? They are out there. I'm telling you, they are out there telling you exactly what they want to learn. And that is one of the biggest ninja secrets, if you want to call it, of how I get in and do my marketing and look at the marketing language. That's just one of the pieces. So again, thanks for being here. I got to get ready for my live call with my coaching group. If you want to join us, if you want to ever take a look at what the Strategic Profit Lab is all about, go to strategicbusinessacademy.com/SPL and join us. There's no contract, no nothing like that. Very easy to do. Over-the-shoulder training, all kinds of really cool things to do. Hopefully, I will see you inside that group. If not, hey, I'll see you here on the Facebook, see you here on Instagram. Good seeing you guys. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.